Take a moment to check out the 2024 Ram 2500. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, bed liner, backup camera, chrome wheels, keyless start, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.